Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 9, Lesson 10. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve inequalities using multiplication and division and model them on a number line. All right, so here we have 2x is less than 10. Now remember, when the number is right in front of the variable, that means 2 times. So to do the opposite, we're going to divide both by 2. So it's going to give me x is less than 5. So let's say 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 2. Okay, it's an open circle and it's less. Okay, good job. Okay, again, doing the opposite. So A is greater than or equal to 9. So let's do this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 10, 11, 12. So close circle because it's greater than and equal to, and it goes to the right. Good job. Okay, let's practice a couple more together. Here we have m over 3, which means m divided by 3. So to do the opposite, we have to multiply both by 3. So we get m is greater than or equal to 24. 24, 25, 26, and 27. Oops, really bad too. 23, 22, and 21. Pen's not working very well. Okay, greater than and equal to, so I'm going to put the closed circle. Greater than goes to the right. All right, so here's another division. So I'm going to multiply by 4, multiply by 4. So 8 is greater than k. Now, to make it easier, I like to flip it around so the variable's in front. But remember, it has to stay less than, so the k has to have the less than 8. This makes it easier because I can go 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 6, 5, and I can put my open circle and see that it's less than going this way. All right, multiplying, so now I'm dividing by 7. X is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1. Okay, close circle because it's both. Greater than to the right. Okay, times 5 on both sides. So P is less than 15. So let's see, 15, 16, 17, 18. Go backwards, 14, 13, 12. It's less than, so just open circle, less than to the left. All right, I want you to pause the video and work out these 8 problems on your own. Go ahead and you're welcome to use the calculator to solve it. Just make sure you show your work on here so I know what you did. All right, for number 9, you should say, well, this is multiplication, so I'm going to instead divide both by 0.8. And when I did that, I got A is less than 25. Okay, 25, 26, 27, 28, 24, 23, and 22, less than, so open circle to the left. Okay, here we have division, so we're multiplying 1.6 times 1.6, and you should have gotten K is less than or equal to 7.6. Okay. All right, and then me, remember I like to have it first, still keeping the mouth going the same direction. It makes it easier to plot it. So here I'm going to say 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, I like whole numbers. So it's going to be past the 7, but not quite to the 8. It's going to be a closed circle, and it's going to be greater. All right, here we're dividing by 2.5. dividing by 2.5. So V is greater than or equal to 12.6. So again, whole numbers, 12, 13, 14, 15, 11, 10, 9. 12.6 is past it. It's going to be a closed circle greater than. All right, so P is being multiplied by this, so we're going to divide it. So I'm going to divide it by 4/3. Okay, divide it by 4/3. When I did that, I got P is greater than 15. Okay, 15, 16, 17, 18, 14, 13, 12. It's an open circle, and P is greater. All right, great job. You're done with Unit 9, Lesson 10. Head back to Classcraft, and I'll see you back here for Lesson 11.